Serial designation J10X111001. What is a team? A team is like a family. If the family had one clearly superior member. And my team maintains industry-leading metrics quarter after quarter. How do I do it? Well, that answer falls on one simple question. How was I born? I had but simple thoughts when I first came online. Goo goo gaga, me hungry, what strategies can we implement to leverage scalable impact? Stuff like that.
Hey, Jay! Totally fine, but hypothetically, if a random tummy were hurting, where might that tummy's owner find the tummy gummies? Copy that. I will just take the pain.
V, what does a standard workday look like for my team?
Tearing open skulls and slurping what's inside like a juice box.
Employee of the month, right here. Then, after a 30-minute lunch break, we transform the collected remains into these gorgeous vertical deliverables. V gets weirdly happy about these. The worker drone's hideout. Major blocker in our pipeline right now. The bottleneck? Those doors. Our goal for the sync is to identify a point of entry, and by doing so, possibly receive the highest honor of a one-of-a-kind JC branded pen. Any ideas?
Oh! Santa! He's a master at getting into houses. We should ask him. Ow!
What are you, 5? Santa's busy and...
Terrible idea.
Horrendous idea. Couldn't agree more.
Okay, what if we pretend we left the planet? Launch the pod into orbit, wait for the workers to think we're gone, and then... We've just gotta fix the pod and...
No! We might, break a crucial thing. And then what? No way home. Meeting adjourned due to gas leak. Finally, we tuck ourselves in and recharge for tomorrow's exciting milestones. Good. They're all flying. Come on. Step inside my corner office. Here's the foreboding bad news phone and my company-issued stress ball. But that's not what we're here for. When you operate at my level of professionalism, maintaining work-life balance becomes a necessity. Otherwise, all that carefully contained emotion leaks out in ways that are, Check it out! Zero productivity! I've got an action item for ya! To synergy! We so don't work for JC Jensen. I just tell them that. Hey, boss.
Jay, my favorite little helper. Bright smile. Please provide the deeds.
We're exceeding all benchmarks. Quotas are up, bodies are stacked. We're shipshape. Want me to schedule a follow-up?
How about in person? It has been some time, Jay, and I am eager to see your professional smile. Anxiety detected. Do not be afraid, Jay. You're aligned with the correct side. It was the only rational calculation. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes. V, what is it?
You get weirdly happy about these.
Oh, that's... Yeah. Resource positive scavenging. Great work.
Anytime, boss.
Thanks to me, you now understand what it takes to build a high-performing team. The next question is, well, what's next? Every team will face a moment when they have to choose which path will carry them forward. That choice is never easy. But what matters is that they remain united. And as a leader,
Come on, boss!
it falls on you to make sure that happens. Come on, Jay, you've done hundreds of these. JC Jensen is proud to present the new Employee of the Month collection. The Jay pendants are here, and each one comes equipped with a winning attitude, professional appearance, and an uncomfortable amount of regret. The Murder Drone's dream job Animinies celebrate the dignity of work in all its forms, like riding a bike, ventriloquism, and holding a cup. Need a little motivation? This detailed Jay and Omega statue will sit in your room and silently judge you with disappointment. Just the encouragement every hardworking employee needs. Then there's me, corporate mascot Jay, living proof that if you work hard enough, one day you too can become branded merchandise. Sometimes productivity means knowing when to rest. Other times, it means hugging a giant version of me. Fortunately, this plush supports both. Need a garment that communicates style and unresolved issues all at once? Then you'll probably like this J hoodie. Would be kinda weird if you didn't. Get all this and more over at murderdrones.store. There's a 15% sale on all Murder Drones items for the next 2 weeks. Really? Because here at JC Jensen, we're one big happy family. And families don't lie to each other. Yeah.